everybody, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Vivosun. Vivosun is a product that I've already used, and the amazing thing is that they actually sent me some items to review for you guys. So as well, I will be doing something special along the way. So right here is Vivosun, and as well, if you guys watch the video of how I germinate my eggplants, then you already know that I use a heat mat to do so, and this is the brand that I use. I did not buy just one, I purchased two. So this is exactly what it looks like right here. Now it does come in a beautiful package in a box, and once you open the box, it has this beautiful packaging as well to go ahead and keep your heat mats stored away. So I have two of the 10 by 20 heat mats. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one away. It works great. It does not use a lot of electricity, so I do like their products a lot. So far, so good. So now what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be doing a unboxing. How exciting is that? I'm excited. So here is my box. Now Amazon know they was rough on this box, but I'm excited to see what's in this box. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a seed giveaway. I'm thinking seed giveaway sounds good. All right, so let's see what we have. I don't know what this is all about. All right. I have the Vivosun pressure sprayer. Yes, this is so nice. It's going to work out perfect in the garden, especially when it comes down to needing to spray my Beautee for the worms. This right here will be awesome for that, because I need to spray a lot of things when it comes down to if I need to use my Beautee. I have a nice sprayer. So this will be working out really good in the garden. Okay, so it is a pressure sprayer, ideal for lawn, home, garden applications, able to accommodate foam applications and traditional steam or mist. So this is nice. This is a 5-liter. Yes, and on the side it says you can use it for car wash, watering flowers, washing vegetables, and cleaning. So I'm excited to use this item right here. You guys, y'all won't believe it. We have some more items in this box. Wow. So we have the fabric containers. Now, y'all know I just talked about this not too long ago, asking questions. What do y'all think about grow bags? Because I do not use any. So now I get to review and see how well things grow in the grow bags. So right here is the Vivosun pot. It is a fabric container, 10 gallons. It is 38 liters. It says better than plastic containers, better than raised beds. It says it air prunes the plant root structure. It says as well, it releases heat. That's a good thing, because sometimes in the plastic containers, they can get hot, really hot. And yeah, the plants kind of don't like that. So, but we gonna see. And it says prevent circular roots. It says aerates the root zone, and it's great for aquatic plants. And I'm assuming, you guys, that is a water plants that like live in water, floating plants. Like algae or so, stuff in that family, stuff that like a lot of water. Okay, so this is the 10-gallon containers, and as well it is 5 in this package. So yes, might have a giveaway. Let's see what else we have. Oh yay, I need this. So I'm definitely can't wait to do a review for you guys on this. So here is the Vivosun precision pruners with locking mechanism. Okay, this is kind of like the needle nose right here. Okay, it says the Vivosun precision pruner with locking mechanism. Stainless steel blades offer long blade life, easy to operate and lock, weightless design for precision cutting. So right here on the back, it shows you guys all of the information, and as well it tells you where the locking position is, and it has handles to reduce hand strain. So yes, and you guys, they gave me 2, so I might be doing a giveaway. Yes. So that was it with this review. But how exciting is that, to work with a company to do an awesome review with a product that I already use. It is a great feeling. I hope you guys go ahead and check them out. I will leave all the links to their Amazon account in the description below. So if you guys do want to go ahead and order from Vivosun, you will have a direct link straight to their ordering site. So, hey, I hope you guys enjoy. I definitely will let you know with the next one that I will be doing a giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now.